'cause you're already mine.
When you come in on a 6-hour flight from Las Vegas, she's back home, out cold.
Gotcha. How you doing? Oh yeah, you miss your eyeball. How are you doing, KJ?
Get noogie.
Yeah. The beach. We're heading to the beach. Beach.
And it's the beach.
It's hot.
Yep.
It's bright.
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
So bright. So bright.
It is bright.
And you get a long sleeve, girl.
I don't care.
Yep.
Jay, welcome. I'm gonna run your ass over.
Yeah, look how bright it is.
It's so bright.
Like dance.
Horses in the back. Horse dies attack. Daddy's mad and black. Got the who's on back in me.
I'm gonna rock this boy. We're going home.
I'm gonna eat my soggy pizza. It's not that soggy.
It's a nice hot day. I live in the beach.
Move your feet, bro. Please. Prettiest of the pleases. Ow. Frick, my nails.
Where?
Ah!
Toasty. Oh, you have black on.
You're super tan, bro. She's super. I gotta you. I'm literally the only one in my family that doesn't tan. I'm not putting my head down. Until we have those meatballs. I'm waiting to eat this when we get on the actual road.
Yeah. Heading up to the mountain.
No. Okay?
She's just saying that. Why would you?
40 years after crossing 4
Are you
islands,
mad, man?
Are you mad, man?
as we reimagine.
Let's go.
Hello, yes.
Walk here.
Rise up, rise up, rise up, Hawaiian people. Hawaiian people. Must unite and fight against evil. Against evil. The wicked them will try and buy up your freedom. Yeah. Cause they fear us when we stand as one. Rise up. They wanna look for life on Mars, so they look up at the stars while they desecrate the land of our ancestors. I don't understand the plan. Politicians, them are wicked, never listen to opposition of the Hawaiians. Say they got the legal right, but the people will unite when they see that it's not righteous. And we will fight this until our last breath, protecting Mauna Kea, cause we know what's next. Rise up, rise up, rise up, Hawaiian people. Hawaiian people. Must unite and fight against evil. Against evil. The wicked, them will try and buy up your freedom. Cause they fear us when we stand there. You've got to rise up, rise up, rise up, Hawaiian people. Hawaiian people. Must unite and fight against evil. The wicked, them will try and buy up your freedom. Cause they fear us when we stand as one. Protesters know we are protectors. The policemen arrest us. Though we are defenseless, we're relentless. We fight for what is right. For the mountain is our lifeblood, so we're fighting for our lives. We're tired of the lies. We cry out for this land we call Hawaiian. The money speaks loudly, so we cannot be silent. Big island, united, we will not stop. Our ole TMT upon our mountaintop.
Stand strong, always and forever. We are